So check this out. All I do is I share this link exactly the way that I'm going to show you in this video, and I'm able to earn income from multiple income streams. So check this out. This income stream, $27,090. This income stream, $3,864. This income stream, $26,675. And this income stream, $26,729, just by simply sharing this one link. So here's what you need to do. I'm going to give you a step-by-step process leveraging this system known as the multiple income funnel, so you too can start generating income from multiple income streams. So I'm going to outline exactly step-by-step how to do this. So step number one, all you need to do is click the link below in the description in step one and create a multiple income funnel account. After you do that and you log in, you're going to come to this page right here. You're going to go ahead, you're going to join the Facebook group. Then you're going to go to step two and you're going to set up all your multiple streams of income. You're going to go ahead, watch this video here, set up this income stream. You're going to go to step two, watch this video here, set up this income stream, and then do the same thing for step three and step four. Now, after you complete step four in the step two setup income stream section, you're going to go to step three, set up e-wallet. Once you set up your e-wallet so you can get paid, you're going to go to step four and complete the back office tour. After you do that, you're going to follow exactly what I tell you within this video right now. So again, if you want to start earning the income that you're seeing right here, right here, right here, and right here, follow me very closely. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the link section. We're going to acknowledge this Facebook lead capture one page here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and save this link to a notepad. Once we do that, the next step is you're going to go ahead and join My Lead Gen Secret. My Lead Gen Secret is really cool because it's going to give you automatic leads every single day. You get 100 leads a day that you can email to. So we're going to be leveraging email traffic in this specific video to start generating results and sales with the multiple income funnel system. Now, there's many different ways that you can generate traffic online. The cool thing about My Lead Gen Secret is you pay a small monthly fee and they send you leads, so you don't have to go out there and spend all this time doing YouTube videos, making Facebook posts, uploading content, and then waiting weeks and months to finally get traffic and website visitors. Because we know the key to success with affiliate marketing is to get your affiliate links out to as many people as you can. So we're going to show you exactly the fastest way to do that right out of the gate. So again, step two, you're going to go ahead and sign up for My Lead Gen Secret. That's going to be the second link in the description below. Once you get access, you're going to come to this page right here. You're going to click on Create a Message. Then what you're going to do is in step three, you're going to copy an email from the Google Doc that I give you in step three below. This Google Doc is going to look something like this. It's going to have all these different email swipes in them. You could start with email one, and you could see that there's 16 pages of emails. So what I'm going to do, because I'm on email 18, is I'm going to go ahead and send out email 18. And by the way, you're going to want to do this every single day. So on day one, send out email one, day two, send out email two, so on and so forth. So what we're going to do is you send out email one if you're new, or send out whatever email you may be on up to this point as we've released these videos. And you're going to go ahead and jump back over to My Lead Gen Secret. Again, we were on the home page. We clicked on Create a Message. You're going to select all your leads right here. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and copy and paste the subject line here. So we're going to copy this. And then we're going to jump back over to My Lead Gen Secret. We're going to paste the subject. And then we're going to jump back over to the swipe and we're going to go ahead and paste the body here. You're going to go ahead and change out my links with your links, okay? So make sure when you jump over here to My Lead Gen Secret, you scroll down, you go ahead and paste, and you change out, once again, my links with your links. The link that you're going to use, and you can definitely use these emails to promote any affiliate offer that you want online. But in this case, of course, we're going to go ahead and promote multiple income funnel. We're going to copy this link right here. Okay, so we're going to highlight it. We're going to click on copy. Then we're going to jump back over here. We're going to make sure that we edit the hyperlink here. First, let's break the original one, right? So there's no link. Let's highlight again, and then let's go ahead and put our affiliate link here and make sure that we eliminate this part because that's already at the beginning right here, right? Just go ahead and copy this once again, click OK. We're going to go ahead and break this link, do the same thing, paste this, make sure you're pasting your capture page. We're going to break this link right here. And then we're going to go ahead and